Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send the images on WhatsApp without losing the quality. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, we will need just to open our WhatsApp and just send any image so I can show you how to send them without losing the quality. So let's dive in. We go to the WhatsApp, go to any conversation so we can send any image. So for example, we choose any conversation from the bottom and let's, for example, choose this one. So basically all you need to do is to add any picture to send. So here I will choose this photo and there is this photo that is black. So basically here at the top, you will see the HD or the media quality button. Of course, we need to click on HD and make sure you set up HD on the top. And of course, when I will send the picture, you can see at the corner on the bottom that there is this HD icon. And this is how you can send an HD uh, pictures on WhatsApp. Of course, you can use the same with the camera. If your camera is an HD camera, of course, whenever you are going to take any picture, you can have this HD quality or this HD emblem. And of course, we are going to send it again, and we will have the same result. And there are some settings that can contribute on the settings or on the quality, picture quality. And here in the network, on the network usage, make sure that there isn't some low data mode, like here, use less data for calls or etc. etc. Make sure that everything is using the whole performance of your network and you will have good quality pictures on WhatsApp. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.